All right, guys, what is up? David G here with you again. Thanks for joining me on another video. We're going to be talking about free traffic strategies on how you're able to promote your affiliate link and get traffic. So, if this is your first time on this video, please subscribe and like this video here. Like I said, I'm David G. I help out making money online, affiliate marketing, and so forth. So today we're going to be talking about how to promote and get started. So this is more for like when you start getting started. It couldn't come out. When you start getting started with your actual career, your journey. So a lot of times we're always on a low budget. We don't have that much money to spend to pay for ads and stuff. This is actually an easy way and free traffic strategies that we can do. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking our affiliate link that we're going to be getting from Clickbank, as you can kind of see here on the screen. We're going to be putting them into books. So we're going to be putting our link into books, articles, and we're going to be posting that on the internet. And when people read them, obviously if they click on the link, they'll go to the product and hopefully make a sale. So let me kind of show you and walk you through here. So once again, we're going to go to clickbank.com. If you haven't actually signed up, sign up. It's going to be for free. Put in all your information, all that good stuff. Once you get logged in, come down to the marketplace here on this little house. Today, we're going to do health and fitness. So I like the health and fitness niche. I like to sort this stuff out by gravity. So if you don't know what gravity is pretty much the amount of affiliates that are promoting those products and are actually making sales or making commissions on them. So generally you want to stay above 25, 50 gravity. You can kind of see here, this one's 629. So people are doing really well with this one right here. The Research Godzilla of offers. So this is going to be their actual website here. This is what they're going to be selling or promoting. Okay, so let's try this one here. So we're going to be doing this one. So if you make a sale, average sale is about $108 is what you're going to get from commission. So, which is actually pretty good. You got your affiliate page here is what we go into, and it gives us all types of information, pictures that we can put on our sales funnel, on ClickFunnels or our software that we're using. So let's go ahead and promote this one. So let's go ahead and promote it. Put in your account nickname. Mine is Pilot301, and then the tracking ID so you know that this is coming out. So I put ebook since we're going to be making little articles, little ebooks that we're going to be posting, so we know that this is where it came from. Okay, generate the hop link. So hop link is pretty much just your affiliate link. Clickbank likes to call it hop links. So this is going to be the link here that we're going to be posting. It's going to be yours. We're going to copy this. Okay. All right, now that we got our link, let's go ahead and let's get out of this one. Let's go ahead and go get some articles. So what you want to do first is you want to go to ezinearticles.com. Okay, this is where we're going to get our ebook, our articles, our PDF book, whatever. Okay, so ezinearticles.com. Here, we're going to type it in, how to lose weight. So since we're actually in the market or trying to promote how to lose weight, I'm going to look up articles, pretty much how to lose weight. So you can kind of see that there's hundreds and thousands of them here. So you have 100,000 articles here. So you could pretty much go down the line, pick one, kind of read, kind of see what you like, what you don't like. So for this video, we're just going to go with this first one here by Ryan M. York. So what you're going to do is, check out the article, make sure it actually is, it's similar to what the product that we're trying to sell. You don't want to sell somebody lose weight and then all of a sudden selling them something totally different. So learn how to lose weight fast, safe, and effective weight loss. Okay, so cool. So I'm looking at it, reading it. Okay, cool. I like this PDF. I like this book. What we're going to do is we're going to copy this right here. Copy the whole thing. This article, okay, copy it. Nope. I'm gonna go to Google Docs. So google.com docs. Okay. Let's kind of do a blank page here because we're gonna copy and paste it onto here. There we go. So we're gonna paste it without formatting. There we go. So now we actually just copied our book or our article onto here, and this is where we're going to be putting in our affiliate link. So let's see. Let me go back. Let me just get the title here. I like to always get the title, so I can put it in here. I forgot that one. All right, it's a little too big. Let's go down. Cool. So I'll just leave it like that just for this video. So from here, now I'm pretty much just gonna kind of go and glance through it. I'm gonna start picking out some keywords where I'm gonna be able to hyperlink some keywords where the customer or the reader is gonna be able to click on it, and that's gonna be the link that's gonna send them straight to this website here that we're trying to promote, if that kind of makes sense. So, and the keywords, for example, so I'm in the weight loss area, right? So weight loss. So I'm gonna be hyperlinking the words that have to do with some kind of losing weight fast and kind of thing. So what you do is, let's say you find some words. So let's say I want this one, right? Losing weight. You're gonna go to the hyperlink, and this is where you're gonna put in your affiliate link, the one that you got from right here. This is gonna be the link that you're gonna be putting in there. So we're gonna, oops. So I've gotta copy that. Oops. Where did it go? I think I just closed out of it. Okay. No worries. I'll just go back in here and I'll generate it. So this is the one that I want. My pilot, generate it. I want to copy that link. All right. So now that I have that copied, for example, I want this losing weight, right? So you want to pick out the keywords. This is where you're going to type in your link, okay, and apply. So every time when the reader's actually, when he or she is reading this, like losing weight, okay, cool. Well, I can't do it here, but I'll show you right now in a bit. And you want to do this to pretty much for every other paragraph, kind of pretty much. So let's see. Let me see if I could just find some quick ones here. So the key to fast weight loss is always low calories. So I could kind of say the key to fat loss, right? That's another one. Put my link in there. Okay. For example, we're gonna kind of come down. You know, I'm just kind of scrolling every other link. You don't want to make it where you put it in every other word, but make it kind of noticeable so the actual reader could see it and click on it. Rapid weight loss, bonus tips. So try the high intensity interval training. Okay, if you want to lose weight. Let's see. If you want professional creative workouts. So you get the idea. Just kind of put it and pick out the keywords, keywords where they'll be able to see it. And even in the bottom, let's say if the reader does get through the whole actual article, you know that they're actually interested. You can type something like, for more information on how to lose weight, check out this video. Check out this video, right? So you could actually hyperlink this right here. So, because you know they actually read the whole thing, they're interested. They wanna lose weight, right? Cool. So, and then also on these articles, always give credit to the writers, you know, to the authors. So Ryan M. York right here. So the sources. I mean, this is their actual articles and stuff. Just give them credit, you know. It's not a big deal, but you know, we always kind of want to have integrity and all that. So, cool. So now that let's say we ran through it, we put our links in there and everything. Cool. Everything looks good. You're gonna want to save this to a PDF file. So what I do before that is I like to put in a book cover. So put in, because that's what the readers are going to see once they actually start scrolling. I'll show you. So I like to come to Canva. It's free. And it literally takes you maybe like 20, 30 seconds, a minute to create a book cover, you know? You can just kind of put in creative design. And seriously, here, I just put in. See if it comes up. And seriously, like a book cover, you know, you can pick one, a blank one or other ones. And just create one. It doesn't have to be crazy, something simple that grabs the reader's attention, you know. something like this. Change this to the lose weight. What was it? Losing weight. Learn how to lose weight fast. You know, change that real quick. Put a new text in. Put a picture in here about how to lose weight. You can use their actual um, stock photos that they have here. You can even go to pexabay.com. I go to that a lot. Once you do that, download that onto here, and then just paste it on here. So paste it right here, and you have your book cover. So let's say this is all done, everything's said and done. You're going to come up here to file and download. You're going to want to download this in a PDF. Okay, so PDF document. So I think I have one of this. There it is. I'm just going to type this as one, so I know that this is just I want to save this on my desktop, okay? So now here is your PDF file. So now that we have our actual article, and if you look at these hyperlinks that we actually put in, somebody clicks on it and boom, it goes straight to your actual affiliate website where they're going to learn more about this losing weight, okay? And then of course, if they buy, you get a commission off it. So now we're going to be posting them on different websites that readers could find. So first one, let's see. So since we're done with this one, we'll exit out of this one. The first one that we want to go to is going to be Goodreads, okay? And it's just goodreads.com, okay? Here, you want to create an account, and down here you can kind of see my books and everything. You want to go down here and go import to export. So you just want to import your book, put it in, and people are going to browse through it. And of course, if they're looking to how to lose weight, your book's probably, it's gonna more than likely gonna come across it. So this is gonna be the first website that you're gonna want to put it into. Like I said, goodreads.com. Okay. Second one is going to be, and I'm not gonna put it in because obviously this is just for training. I haven't really looked at the article or anything like that. Second one is going to be archive.org. Okay, Internet Archive. Okay, simple, the same thing. Create a free account. You kind of see that I have my account right here. You pretty much upload the book right here. Put in upload, type it in, put in the information, what the title is called, what the description, what's it about, some keywords so readers could find it, and boom, there's another website that your book is actually in. Third one, let's see. So if I'm going a little fast, just kind of write there in the comments saying going a little fast or whatever. I do talk a little bit fast from time to time that I don't even notice it. So third one, slideshare.net. Also another one. You kind of see here that these are the book covers, and it actually does make a big difference as far as how the book cover is. We do judge a book by its cover, to believe it or not. So once again, you're going to sign up, log in, upload your book. So again, put in all the information, put in your title, description, some tags and stuff like that so they can find it. And that's another third website. And let's see, and the fourth one is going to be manybooks.net. So manybooks.net. Once again, you're going to create your profile, view, edit profile. You're going to create your profile. All that good stuff. After you create it, you're going to actually log in, upload it, and the same thing like the other three websites. So you're going to upload your book, put in the title, the description of the title, the description, what's it about, who are you trying to attract, or who are you trying to have people find. For example, people that are trying to lose weight, right? So, and you can kind of see that these are all the books that they have out here right now. So, and believe it or not, a lot of people come out here and read these books. So it's actually a really good place. So like I said, this probably takes you, once you start getting the hang of it, maybe takes you 10, 15, 20 minutes, depending on what article, what you're doing at the most. And that's it. Upload it up to these 4 websites and you're ready to rock and roll. So, and the key is consistency. Don't just put in one article and just call it good, because more than likely there's thousands of books out there. More than likely it's not going to be seen. So you have to be consistent. You have to upload I recommend you uploading one article, one book a day. So let's say, for example, and change it up. So So like right here, how to lose weight, weight loss. Look at all these articles. So what I recommend is taking the same affiliate link or the same product that you're promoting, and every day put in a different article. This one today, this one tomorrow, that one the next day, and so forth. So by the end of the month, if you do this consistently, you're gonna have 30 books. For example, if I say once a day, you're gonna have 30 articles on 4 different platforms where you have a better, greater chance on people seeing it, reading it, clicking on it, and actually buying a product from it. So don't change the product, just change the article. Okay, so every day upload it, and that's the key. Just be consistent on it. So I know it is some work, but like I said, it takes maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes at the most per day to upload these. Get your book, read your book, get your links, create a book cover, download it, save it, post it onto these platforms, and it's pretty much just out there to the world working for you while you're asleep, while you're doing other stuff. So like I said, the key is being consistent with this. So you got to continue to do this, and you're going to start seeing results. So one of the strategies that I've learned from other people that I've been using as well, it's worked really well. And like I said, you're probably not going to see any sales first, second, third, fourth, heck, maybe not even the first week or anything, but you got to stay consistent. So if you do want to learn more about affiliate marketing, as far as starting your own business online, I do highly recommend you doing the 15-day challenge with Legendary Marketer. That's where I got my training. That's where I got my startup, all the information, all the tools that I needed to start to help me open up my mind. So truly opened up my mind. I didn't really know a lot when I first started. So I do have a link down in the description here that I'll be posting. So if you guys are interested, check that out. It's only $7 to start, but it's pretty much an investment for you. So I have all the links on the bottom. Also check out my previous videos. I also have another video showing you and giving you a free funnel already built. All you have to do is go in there, download it into your ClickFunnels account. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, obviously create one, and I have a link on all that stuff on the bottom too. Get that free funnel, put your affiliate links in there, start driving traffic to your funnel, start making some money. So if you have any questions, any comments, leave them down there in the comments. Be happy to get back to you. Please subscribe, like. I'll be putting out some more videos like these. So once again, hopefully you guys follow this. Hopefully you stay consistent. You will see results. So I'm trying to set you guys up for success so you can be ahead of people you're going to be ahead of 10 times farther than other people. So when I first started, people set me up and they were helping me to set up for success. And now I want to continue to do that. And I want to give to you guys so you could start setting up for success. Maybe this ain't for you, but it kind of opens up your mind, gives you different ideas on what to do it, you know? So once again, that's pretty much it on just how to drive free traffic, free strategies on how to drive traffic. So if anything, I'll see you on the next one. All right, guys? So you guys take care.